an overlap here, and then I could probably just tidy up. I'll thin off the underneath bit.
Yep.
And just keep the depth there.
Yeah, don't worry about defining that. Cushions have a slight habit of sliding, which is why they slide on. Yeah, don't worry about defining the connection between the leaves too much at this stage, because I'll show you a technique for getting really clean cut lines in.
Okay.
Thank you ever so much, Cara. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. I've written down the name and the type of man. Are you moving my stove? You're moving the stove. You're causing everything to shake.
It starts off somewhere.
So Giles has been carving for 7 years. Everything that he does is carved just with the one little knife, and it's all hand carved. So every piece is an entire piece of wood, so there's no joins and no glues. He uses English oak and silver birch to create the different levels of detail in his wood. So he started carving and putting his work on Instagram, which is Giles__Newman, and people started to buy his spoons, and it just took off from there. So a spoon has to have a bowl and it has to have a handle, but what you add to it and how you work it is entirely up to you. So his became more and more decorative. So he does everything from the feather spoon to Canunos, which is the stag, the fox, the kingfisher, and sculptures such as the horse. But also he doesn't want to throw away wood, so he'll use the smaller pieces of wood to make the pendants, and then it's again putting that same level of detail in to add in maybe the nostrils or the eyes on a snake and the scales or the fur or the different levels of detail within that make the real characters of the small nature inspired portraits. His website is gilesnewman.com.